Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. Today is Sunday. I hope you're having an amazing one. Today is National Lipstick Day, so I've been receiving a lot of emails from Urban Decay, Ulta, Sephora. Everybody's having Macy's. Everyone is having a great sale on lipsticks, like buy one get one or 40% off. So if anyone needs lipsticks, today is definitely the day to go buy them. So I've been a good girl, and no, I have not purchased any new lipsticks today because I do have quite a few of them in my collection. So on this video, I'm going to do the unboxing of my Allure box. And I actually took this to the beach with me last Saturday, and I was going to do the video then, but I had terrible Wi-Fi. I had a video ready to upload into YouTube, and I couldn't even do it because I couldn't connect. So this is how it comes. And I know it's so late in the month, I almost didn't do it, but I went ahead and did it. And this is a $20 off gift towards your next full price order of Bubble Bar. And Bubble Bar does have a really nice jewelry. I noticed when I was at Target that they carry some of the Bubble Bar jewelry there. So I'm not sure if it's an extensive collection of just a few pieces, but I did notice that they had some. So the coupon code, promotion code, in case anyone is interested, is Allure/PU075. So you guys can use it if you want $20 off. And this is just a little booklet letting you know about the different products in the box. So the first thing that I'm going to pull out is an Olay, and this is the new whip version that they have. It's light as air finish, powerful wrinkle results without heaviness, active moisturizer. So this is the Olay Regenerist. So I really have not been using Olay for a while. I've been using other moisturizers, but this is a nice little size. I mean, a huge box for this little container, but it definitely won't go to waste. Usually what I do, I use these, the ones that I don't use on my face, I use them on my neck and my chest area. So this is what I'll do with this one. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Sunday Riley Luna Oil, and I do use this. I use it every other night. One night I use the Retinol serum from The Ordinary, which is very inexpensive. This is like, I believe it's $10 or less. And I use this one night, and then I use the Luna Oil, which is a lot more pricey, the next night. So that will last me a little longer. Now this is a nice little deluxe size. This is probably about $20 worth, believe it or not. So definitely something that I will use, and it's a nice travel size because we just went to the beach and I did not carry it with me because I didn't want to take a chance on breaking that bottle. I would cry. So the next thing is a facial mask, Feel Harmony, and it's a rose petal facial mask. And it's supposed to be super hydrating, and it tells you to apply to your face, to clean face, thoroughly dry. Then you apply the mask, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then you rinse it off and dry your face. So this is probably enough for a couple of uses, and it's nice because it has like a little pouch, like how they had the little baby drinks, and so you can seal it back up and reuse it. So the next thing is Derma E Essential Sun Protection Mineral Powder, SPF 30. So I have used some Derma E products, and I do like them. I've used their vitamin C, their cleansing oil, more skincare. I really have not used any makeup, but it is a good brand. It's a natural brand, so if anybody is interested in that. So I have not used their powder. So this looks like it's a translucent powder. It does have a little sticker on the little, it's got three little holes there for the powder to come out, but it looks very light and beige, but I'm sure it's translucent. It doesn't say if it's translucent, but I would imagine. And it's SPF 30. So this is kind of nice, and I guess the regular powder comes in this form with the brush already attached to it, so that you can put it in your purse and reapply it through the day to make sure that you still have the sunscreen on. So this is kind of nice for traveling. When you're out and about, you don't know when you're going to go back to your room and you're going to be able to reapply, so you stick it in your purse and kind of just go over your face with a powder. So that's very nice. I have one of these, but it's in another brand. This is the next product is by Way, and it's a leave-in conditioner for your hair. And I do enjoy leave-in conditioners. And sometimes what I do is, let's say tomorrow morning I wake up and my hair, usually my hair looks like a troll in the morning. I do look like a troll in the morning. They're going everywhere. Sometimes it's scary, even to myself. So what I do is I spray a leave-in conditioner on my hair, you know, and kind of like, not soak it, but wet it a little bit. And then with my blow dryer and my brush, I'm able to give it some body and make it look not so scary anymore. So this is nice. Way is a very nice brand, and I know it's expensive, so this is a nice thing to get. The next thing is Organic Pharmacy RX Antioxidant Balm. I have never heard of this brand before. And it is a lip balm, and it says soft and smooth. So it is clear. Doesn't have any color. It feels a little sticky on my hand. So it smells like lemons, like citrus, lemon orange, very nice. So I don't know how sticky it would be on the lips, but usually if it does feel good though. It feels like it's sinking into my skin, which is what you want with a lip balm. You don't want it to just sit on your lips. You actually want to, you know, be absorbed and actually, you know, help your lips stay moist and, you know, not peel or anything like that. So that's a nice thing. Okay, then the next thing is this is by the brand, hold on, see if I can take off. I hate these things. I mean, I appreciate them because that means people can get into them, but I hate fighting with them to take them off. Well, that wasn't bad. Okay, this is by the brand Makeup Forever. And these lips, you can use them. They say you can use them in your eyes, your lips, your cheeks, as a blush, but I mean, this is red, so the only place I would use this is on my lips. But even if it was a color that it would be pretty as a blush, I would never use a pencil like this on my blush as a blush. Why do I do that in a spot where you're not going to be able to see it? So this is a color. It's a pretty red. It's a bright red. Actually would have looked good with my lipstick today. So this is nice. I enjoy that. They have very good liners, whether it's eyeliners or lip liners. They're really, really good. So I do enjoy the Makeup Forever pencils. And this, last but not least, is a Deuce eye pencil. And I think I've received this before when I had Ipsy, this brand. And it is very, very, very blue. I'm not sure if it's something that I would use, but it's, wow, it is very creamy. It's gel-like, and you don't have to use any effort to put it on. Very nice. Now, whether it stays or not, you know, maybe it smears, I have no idea. I don't think I even tried the one I got from Ipsy. So that is all that is in my Allure box. So I just wanted to share with you the lipstick that I'm wearing today in honor of National Lipstick Day. And it's by Revlon, and it's number 740, Certainly Red. It is so pretty. And this is a very creamy red, but it is not runny where you feel it's going to get on your teeth. Now watch me have it on my teeth. I don't think so, right? No. Where it's going to get on your teeth or go outside the line. Now I did use a lip liner, and the lip liner that I use is by Urban Decay. And this is 24/7, and they're really, really nice liners. And whether you use a lip liner or an eyeliner, they're very, very nice. This is the Urban Decay, and this is the Revlon. So the Revlon is a very affordable lipstick, and the shade on the Urban Decay is Bad Blood. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And I will see you soon. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and make sure that you hit the little bell. It is free to subscribe. There are no fees. I've had a couple of you ask me if there's a fee attached to subscribing. No, it is totally free. So please make sure that you subscribe, you hit the little bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.